Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. Children, as you all know, this is your general knowledge class and we have completed chapter number 30 in our previous video. Today we are going to start chapter number 31, that is famous autobiographies. Okay, so take out your general knowledge book, page number 50, and today we are going to start famous autobiographies. Okay, so chapter 31, famous autobiographies. First of all, we should understand what is autobiography. Okay, so you must have seen or must have read this autobiographies in our library or anywhere, but actually this is a self-written account of life of a person. So this is self-written account. The person who want to write his life in words, so this is called autobiographies. So autobiography is a self-written account of the life of a person. Okay, self-written. So it is written by the person individually. जिसकी autobiography है उसने self ही लिखा हुआ है. It means auto, it means self. Biography is, it means it is written account. So this is the self-written account of a person. Okay, so this is called autobiography. Now children, today you can see many writers, many great people, those who have written their autobiography. Why they have written? Because they wanted to share their experiences, their ups and downs, their life, to inspire general people. Because if they have not shared their experiences, their whatever they have gained, so अगर वो experience हमारे साथ share नहीं करते तो हम कैसे inspire हो सकते थे उनसे, क्योंकि उनके life को देखकर many people get inspired. So this is the motto behind this, because they want to share their life with others. वो अपनी life के experience को they wanted to share. So here there are so many autobiographies. It is written over here: My Experiment with Truth, My Days, Fall of a Sparrow, Confessions, Straight from the Gut, Autobiography of a Soul, Autobiography of a Yogi. Now the 8 number, My Own Boswell. Now 9 number, Mein Kampf, My Struggle. Now 10 numbers, Anti-Memories. Now 11 is Daughter of the East, The Tunnel of Time. These are the famous autobiography. It is written by the famous writers also. So children, the first one is My Experiment with Truth. Okay, the first one is, this is autobiography. And here writers. I will write writer also or author. Now here, My Experiment with Truth. Okay, My Experiment with Truth. Now children, this is written by Mahatma Gandhi. As you all know, Mahatma Gandhi was a true follower of truth. He was really a practical person. He was not a common person, because his attitude was common, but he was not a common person. He was thinking about the nation. That is why from his childhood he was started that following follower, he became follower of truth. That is why he experienced many things in his life. So that we are going to see in this autobiography. It is a famous autobiography. It is written by Mahatma Gandhi, children. Mahatma Gandhi. So the writer of this autobiography is Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, Mahatma Gandhi. And as you all know, children, Mahatma Gandhi is our father of nation. He inspired many lives. One thing I would like to tell you, that if he suggested anyone to do something, he already applied before 1 month or prior 2 or 3 months before. That is a wonderful story I would like to share. That one day when mother and child came near him, he sat over there in his ashram, and the mother told to Mahatma Gandhi, Mahatma, I just really fed up with my child, because this child used to eat, you can see the sugar, and you can see that time Mahatma Gandhi told to that lady, please come after 1 week. She went away, but she was thinking that हम तो उनको महात्मा कहते हैं, इन्होंने विदाउट कोई सोल्यूशन के हमें भेज दिया. But she thought that it is important, maybe Mahatma Gandhi was very busy that time, so maybe that was the cause. So she returned home. After 1 week, she went again to the ashram. Mahatma Gandhi was as usual sitting on their decks. She came near and said, you called me after 1 week, Mahatma. So what should I do? Mahatma said, please give your child to me. I will talk to him. So she went away outside of this room, and the Mahatma Gandhi was started talking with that child. The child said that his whatever the things, whatever the problem was there, so he discussed. And after that, Mahatma Gandhi told him not to eat sugar. That is my instruction. It is not good for our health. So many causes he had given. After that, when the child went away from that room, he called his mother. Now the mother asked Mahatma, आपने हमें 1 हफ्ते के बाद क्यों बुलाया? महात्मा ने बोला, एक्चुअली पहले मैं तो शुगर छोड़ लेता, उसके बाद मैं आपके बच्चे को टीच कर पाता, उसके बाद मैं आपके बच्चे को बता पाता. तो दैट वुड बी वेरी इम्प्रेसिव, और द चाइल्ड वुड फॉलो द इंस्ट्रक्शन. सो ये थे महात्मा. पहले बहुत ही प्रैक्टिकल पर्सन थे, और उन्होंने अपने प्रैक्टिकल एटीट्यूड में ही एक्सपेरिमेंट many times with truth. So that is why he written his experience with experiments with truth. Actually experiment with truth. What he invented with truth. What he gained to follow the truth. So that he shared with us. So that is written by the Mahatma Gandhi. Now our next is My Days. Second number is My Days. Now children, this is also a famous autobiography. It is written by children R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan. Okay, it is written by R.K. Narayan. Okay, so write it down. Second number, My Days, it is written by R.K. Narayan, very famous writer, and he had written his autobiography also. Now, Fall of a Sparrow. Third number is Fall of a Sparrow. Okay, this is the third number autobiography. Fall of a Sparrow. It is written by children Salim Ali. Salim Ali. As you all know, children, he was a great bird watcher. Okay, so Salim Ali. Okay, now the next is, fourth number is Confession. Confession. Confessions. Okay, Confessions means पता ही होगा आपको कि अपने पापों को स्वीकार करना, रिपेंट करना, कन्फेस करना, that is called confessions. Okay, now this is fourth number. It is written by Saint Augustine. Saint Augustine. Saint Augustine. Okay, it is written by Saint Augustine. Saint Augustine. So write it down. The 4 number Confessions, it is written by Saint Augustine. Now children, 5 number is Straight from the Gut. Number 5 is Straight from the Gut. The Gut. So it is written by Jack Welch. Jack Welch. Okay, it is written by Jack Welch, children. Okay, now 6 number is Autobiography of a Soul. Autobiography of a soul, children. Okay, this is written by, now this is 6 number, so it is written by Saint Therese of Lisieux. Okay, so this is 6 number and it is written by Saint Therese, Therese, Saint Therese of Lisieux. Okay, Lisieux. You just write it down. Saint Therese of Lisieux. Okay. Now our next is Autobiography of a Yogi. Okay. Now 7 number is Autobiography of a Yogi. ठीक है? This is 7 number. Autobiography of a Yogi. It means here you can see the writer has written his experience with his yoga. So Autobiography of a Yogi, and it is written by children Paramahansa Yogananda. Paramahansa Yogananda. So Paramahansa Yogananda. Okay, Paramahansa Yogananda. It is written by Autobiography of a Soul. It is written by Autobiography of a Yogi. It is written by Paramahansa Yogananda. Okay, so completed, children. Now we have done 7 autobiographies. Completed, write it down. Now we are moving to the 8 number. Okay. So 8 number autobiography is My Own Boswell. My Own Boswell. My Own Boswell. And this is number 8. So number 8 autobiography is written by M. Hiyadatullah. M. Hiyadatullah. Okay, M. Hiyadatullah. Okay, it is written by M. Hiyadatullah. Now our next is Mein Kampf. 9 is Mein Kampf. Mein Kampf, it means my struggle. My struggle. My struggle. Okay. Now this is written by Mein Kampf. It is written by, now My Struggle or Mein Kampf, it is written by Adolf Hitler. Okay. Adolf Hitler. Adolf Hitler, children. Adolf Hitler, it is written by Adolf Hitler. Now children, we are moving to the 10 number, that is anti-memories. Anti-memoirs. Okay, anti-memoirs. So 10 number, it is written by children André Malraux. André Malraux. Okay. Now 11 number, if you will see 11, a Daughter of the East. Daughter of the East. Daughter of the East. It is written by children 11 number, it is written by that is L. This is Benazir Bhutto. Benazir Bhutto. She was a daughter of Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, Prime Minister of Pakistan. Okay, children. Now, our 12 number is Tunnel of Time. The Tunnel of Time. Okay, 12 number. So, I will erase this 12 number we will write. 12 number is the Tunnel of Time. The Tunnel of Time. And this is, the 12 number is written by R.K. Lakshman. R.K. Lakshman. Okay, R.K. Lakshman. So children, we have seen that many great biography was written by great people, like we can see Jack Welch, Paramhansa Yogananda, Salim Ali, Mahatma Gandhi, Benazir Bhutto, Saint Augustine, R.K. Narayan, and Therex of Leux, André Malraux, Adolf Hitler, German ruler, and here M. Hiyadatullah and Benazir Bhutto, as we have seen many great authors. They had written their autobiography. So children, we will see in our next video. Now here you can see some famous autobiography Long Walk to Freedom by Nelson Mandela, Dreams from My Father by Barack Obama, The Last Lecture by Randy Pauschich, On Writing, a Memoir of the Craft by Stephen King. So that was also a great collection or written account. Now Selma Lagerlöf from Sweden was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1909. She was the first woman to win this title. That is also a very strange thing, because she was the first woman who won the title in 1909 in the literature, and she won the Nobel Prize for Literature. So children, we have discussed many autobiography and their writers, because as you all know, as a English literature students, you must know that autobiography is also a written account of a person, okay, and it is self-written account, as you all know. So children, this is what we have learned today, that many authors, they had shared their experience with us, and it is written account. We can find anywhere, in library, in a school library, anywhere you can find. You can ask to the Google also, you can read their biography. Okay children, so you must read these books, because these autobiography will give you great inspiration to fight in your life. Okay, so children, I am going to conclude my video. So we will meet again in our next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.